Thank you for your purchase of Dash Civic Car. This cute little Civic car comes with a sleek automotive design with soft poly heavy-duty wheels. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know its amazing features. We will now assemble this real-looking Civic car by using these parts. You will also need a regular-shaped screwdriver and a star-shaped screwdriver. First, attach all 4 heavy-duty wheels to the bottom of the car by using the provided visor and quarter pins. Then cover all 4 wheels with wheel caps by using 3 small screws on each side. Next, insert the provided 2 AA batteries to the back of the steering wheel, then insert the steering cover over it. Let's slide the steering wheel from above the car body along with the power cable, then attach it with the car body by using the steering fitting rod. Also connect the steering wheel power supply cable with the car body cable to activate colorful lights and music. And for the finishing touch, attach the beautiful rear view mirrors on both sides and fix it with bolts from below the car. The Dash Civic car is now ready for use. Dash Toy, Dash Ride, Kids Pride.